Today is June the 20th and it's puppy playtime. Hi guys. These are the Morkies and the Maltese males that are out here playing. They get to have puppy playtime. They get to run and play and explore. Yes. Are you happy? Is everybody happy? Where's all the happy babies? Who wants to play? Who wants to play? What have I got here? Go get it. Who's going to play with that? Who's got it? Who's got that toy? Somebody got that toy? Oh, goodness. Oh, somebody's going to take it from you. Oh, goodness. Is this tug of war? Oh, are you back there hiding with it? Are you back there hiding with your toy? Goodness gracious. Goodness. Oh, you're protecting it? Come on, let's go. Come on. There it goes again. Here it goes. Here. There it goes. Go get it. Puppy playtime. Puppy playtime. Okay. So as you can see, they're happy, they're healthy, and they love to play. And you've got a Ziploc here, don't you? A Ziploc. Or a zip tie. I'll take the zip tie. Yeah, I'll take the zip tie. Okay. Okay. So there they are.